Foxy. Oh, I woke them up all. Look at her nails, they are so long. Her nails of the old dog, the old lady. Her nails are so long. She has a happy tail. And Foxy. And Foxy. From hell to paradise. Yeah? Yeah? Foxy. And the little boy, little Diaz. The 3 of the 5 dogs I took away from that terrible place. They are so happy. I woke them up all. Hey. Foxy. Now he has to learn to go in and out from the little door. Oh, beautiful old lady. They know each other. Look at them. They are happy to see each other. Foxy has a happy tail. Foxy has a happy tail and she don't run away. Hello, Luca. Bravo, παιδάκια. Bravo. Bravo. Bravo, little Diaz. Bravo, little Diaz.